Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you doing? Ellaru hegidira? So like I promised, I wanted to explain you about what are the accessories, how better it can be having the motorcycle right in front of us and then explaining rather than talking just in front of it. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with the price and also the product as well. Let me start with this. This is a zero gravity light smoke double bubble from Zero Gravity brand itself. This costed me about 11,500, and then followed by the entire crash protection you can see here, and then the crash protectors here, and then you also have spools, right? Put together, these three things come in a package along with this and the tank grip, which is a snake grip tank grip. All right, so put together that came across about 17,500 together. You also get the lower part, but I haven't put that because it's going to take up the entire design of the motorcycle. I've removed that. Yeah, and then the most important point, Olin steering damper. Very, very important for motorcycles, which is very lightweight, and this motorcycle itself is lightweight, right? This is about 45 to 50,000. I picked it up from US. One of my friend got it for me. If imported to India, it is going to be somewhere close to 65 to 70,000. Yeah. And what else? Yeah, the most important thing, the M4 slip-on exhaust. So this is the M4 slip-on exhaust. Like I said, this costed me roughly about 40 to 45,000, including the installation and everything. I got it from V Performance, and then I also got the the Bmc Air Filter, which is inside this. Very important when you change the exhaust. And then you also have a servo body, which means a small fluctuation cable or a fluctuation thing, which helps actually to do that, because the stock exhaust comes with a servo motor. You would have seen the cable with a small box as well. If you haven't seen my installation video, go back and check that. And then this is the pillion seat and the foot pegs, right? This costed me somewhere about 55 to 60,000, and here it is. Yeah, this is how it would look like. And what else? I also added a small side stand extender, so that is an additional accessory. And the Bmc Air Filter costed me roughly about somewhere around 7 to 7,500. Servo body inside this, that costed me about maybe about 5,500. So that is the thing. And what else? Yeah, and then tire swap I have to make. I'm planning to do the Rosso 3. That is gonna come up very soon as well. Yeah, put together somewhere close to 2 lakhs worth of accessories only on this motorcycle. And I am not a big fan of improving the aesthetics, but I usually take care of performance things. That is most important for me. In fact, if you want to talk about it, firstly I started with steering damper, then I got the exhaust so that I can have a weight reduction, then I got the visor, and then I went about the aesthetics like seat and what are the other things as well, right? So that is how I planned. And 2 lakh worth of motorcycle accessories on this baby. I never realized I spent so much. While I talk about it, I'm just thinking, have I spent so much on the motorcycle? Which is right in its own way, by the way. I don't regret about it. So this is about the entire accessories, man. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions or any doubts in understanding about it. Would be happy to take and would be happy to question back as well. And another thing is, I did the entire motorcycle PPF, complete PPF the motorcycle is. That costed me roughly about 35,000. And the unprotected painted parts has been covered by ceramic thing, and I got it done by RX Clinic. So nice friend of mine as well now. So I hope you like this episode about the performance upgrades that are made on the motorcycle, along with the price that I've spent. In case you have any follow-up questions, do comment down below, and I will definitely let you know as soon as possible. Yeah, take care guys. We'll see you in another vlog, another content. Thank you so much for taking your time. Good day. Bye.